Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial, first we will become familiar with the basic building block and of course the most important attribute called data type. What is a data type in computer programming? It is a type of data, you can say a pattern or an identification to the compiler that how we are going to use this variable in the program. Python supports these three number types which are int, float and complex. If you say x equals to 1, it is an int data type. Okay. Similarly, if any value is containing a decimal point, it becomes a float data type. When it contains a real and imaginary part, it becomes a complex data type. Okay. So these three are the number types that is supported by Python. Then we have strings. These are the literals which are surrounded by a single quote or double quotation mark. Any value which is inside a single quote or a double quote, it becomes a string data type in Python. Then we have list data type, which is ordered and changeable. The elements inside a list can be changed. The elements have different indexes. In this example, there are 3 string elements inside the list. The size of this list is 3 and there are 3 elements. The first one is having an index 0, which is apple. Banana is at index 1 and orange it is index 2. We can update and change the elements of a list. Okay. Another data type that we have is a tuple. It differs from list in the way that tuples are immutable. That means you cannot change the data inside the tuple, but you can do in the case of list. Notice the difference. The way the tuple is created is using a small bracket, while the list is created is using a bigger bracket. Another type that we have is a set data type. Set is a collection of items or elements which is unordered, which means that when we display the elements of a set, it may come out in a random order. Another important property of a set is that it does not allow duplicacy. So all the elements inside a set are unique. If we add a duplicate element, it is automatically ignored. Another type that we have is a dictionary data type. We can create a dictionary type by using curly braces. It contains key value pair. One important property of a dictionary is the element of the dictionary, which is a key, which you can see on the left side. The left side is the key, the right side is the value. Key element has to be unique. If we give a duplicate key element, it is automatically ignored. Another type that we have is a Boolean data type. It is basically logical, that is true or false. You can use it in your program to write some conditions or use it as a flag or something. In our next lecture onwards, we are going to see how to use them and how to write real programs. See you all in our next lecture. Thank you.